Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again, and in this video I'm going to do a soft glam makeup look. So without further ado, let's get started. For the eyeshadow palette, I'm using this from Wet n Wild, and I'm using the simple color and blending it off on my eyelids. And for the eyeliner, I'm using this from Nika, and it's a very good eyeliner, and I'm making a winged liner today, so yes. So I'm taking this black kajal and I'm going to line on my waterline areas, so there cannot be any gaps between my liner and my waterline areas. Now I'm taking this glitter eyeliner, and it's from MAC. It's in the shade Naked Blonde, and I'm just going to overline on the top of the liner that I put earlier. And it's a very pigmented eyeliner, guys, so let's start. Now I'm going to do with my lower eyelid as well, and I'm using the same kajal. Now let's put some glitters on the lower lids as well. So my eye makeup is almost done, and now I'm going to put my eyelashes on, and yeah, that's it, my eye makeup is done. So let's start with moisturizer, and I'm using this moisturizer. This is from Lotus, and this is my favorite moisturizer. So yeah, I am massaging it all over my face. So now let's put some foundation, and this is from Maybelline. It's a very light foundation. It's like a BB cream. So yeah, I'm just going to blend it with this brush. And you have to blend it well, otherwise you'll have a very cakey kind of makeup. Now let's do the eyebrows. It's done. I'm using the same eyeshadow palette for my blush as well, and I think it's a very good choice because it gives you the same glow as your blush gives you. Using the same eyeshadow palette for the highlighter as well, and also for my inner corners of the eyes. Why not, if one product can give you multiple choices? I'm going to complete my look using this red lip crayon. This is from Miss Claire, and it's a very pretty red color, and I like it a lot. So this is my final look.
I've been here, but I have to stay afloat. It's not easy. Be a person you don't want. Can somebody take me other thing? Going to do. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this just call it back. I don't know, I don't know, I don't wanna grow, just live myself. I don't wanna grow.
That's all for today, and thank you so much for watching my videos again, and keep supporting. Do not forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I made these earrings. Isn't it pretty? And I loved it. And if you guys like this look, you can try this out. And I love you all. See you with another video. Bye.